Now that we've edited our content, let's go ahead and remove the old field. I'm going to click on Structure. Let's click on Content Types. And then we're going to edit the tour type. Click on Manage Field. And then let's remove the old guide. I'm going to scroll over here and click Delete. We get a confirmation. I'm going to go ahead and click Delete. Okay. And now, as you might expect, if we go to our calendar page, we're going to see an empty column. I'm clicking on the home link. I'm clicking on calendar. And now we have an empty column for guide. So let's go ahead and modify this to use our new field again. I'm going to click on the cogwheel and edit view. And under fields, let's go ahead and remove our broken missing handler. Clicking on it, and then I'm clicking on remove. Now again, we've done this before. And now we need to add our new field. So I'm clicking add. Let's go ahead and search for guide. Okay, so we see we have our field here, content guide, appears in node tour. Let's go ahead and check this and click add and configure fields. We have a few options. Of course, our label, we can adjust. We can exclude it from display. We explained this option earlier. And then we have a new formatter option here. So if we drop this down, we can set it to the title link, which for a guide page would be the name of the guide linked to that node page. That's exactly what we want, but let's look at these other options real quick. We can do a title with no link, or we can render the entire node or piece of content right in this field. Let's go ahead and leave it at title link and click apply. Let's scroll down and take a look at our preview. Okay, so now we have our new field displaying as a column guide here, and now each one of these are linked to the guide pages. And if we took a look at our mockups, I'm going to jump back to our mockup. You see here that for guide, each one of these links are supposed to go to the guide page. So we've accomplished this aspect of the functionality pretty easily. Okay, let's go ahead and put that field in the correct position. It's supposed to go to the right of tour type. So I'm going to scroll up to fields and let's go ahead and sort. I'm going to click the arrow and click sort. And I'm going to move the guide here to the right of the tour type by dropping it below. And then I'm going to click apply. If we look at the preview, I'm going to scroll down. We'll see it in the right position. And let's go ahead and save this view and test out our tour. I'm going to click on one of these guides, Phil Terry. And sure enough, it jumps to the guide's Phil Terry page. We see the title and the body. All right,